So basically, with the AFE, it is the authorization for expenditure, and then we have the Monte Carlo simulation. So each of these has its own advantages and disadvantages for estimating well costs. We use them for estimating well costs. One is the authorization for expenditure, which is mainly by authorities that give you the mandate to go and to spend money on a certain project. And then the Monte Carlo can be used by the person who is going to spend the money, the contractor. So each one of it has its own advantage and disadvantage. You can read about it. You can read about the AFE, which is authorization for expenditure, and read about the Monte Carlo to understand it. So they are both available and they are both very useful in the petroleum economics, in the oil and gas sector, for petroleum economics, for planning. So you can view the different results. I'm going to have a results table here. I'm going to expand it a little bit so that you can now concentrate so much on the results. So we can start on the results of the well schematic. So this is our well schematic. That's how it looks like. This is our well. If you want, you can view it in 3D, in 2D, depending on what you want it. This is in the plain view. You can view it in section view. So you can also view the other results, histograms. You can see the WellCost. This is how it looks like in a histogram. If you want, you can come here and click on the pie charts. You can also view it in the pie charts. So the pie charts, fortunately this one is not showing. Let me check out the other one, the other pie chart. Okay, this is showing me the probabilistic phase. So it is showing you the running cement, cement and conductor. This is a dry pipe, all that. So you can continue viewing all the other results, the well path, and this is for time versus cost. You can view the graphs. You can also come in here and then view the other plots for the histogram. So depending on what you want to view. So this one is showing you the costs. So this is one other histogram that is showing you the cost split. If you want to see the phase split, then you can put in the phase split, depending on what you really want to view. So we are going to be going through analysis and interpretation of these graphs during the internship. For those who will be with us, we shall be glad to welcome you, and we shall be glad to take you through all this. How do we interpret these? What do they mean? You're seeing the probable, we have the possible, we have the proven. So for those who are still with us, we shall be glad to welcome you and take you through how to do petroleum economics and many other things. For now, I would say thank you for following from the first module up to the last module. It has been our first online session. I hope the next online sessions will be better than this. Thank you very much for being part of us. A lot of greetings from Elite, and thank you. I've been Kiza Thomas, taking you through all this training with Landmark software. I hope you've learned a lot. Thank you and have a nice time. Let's keep in touch. We shall be sharing some notes on CMG software for those who can do self-learning. Please be on the guard. We are going to share them. You can practice at any point of your time. Thank you very much and have a good time until we meet again.